Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. This is William Heinman, your host. This is Just Force 911, and we look at how our public officials do their job or they just flat don't. Hey, guys, this comes to us from it's from New York. It's from Suffolk County police officer. I didn't realize that we still had, or that New York had Nazis in their living for the Fourth Reich. This is pretty amazing. You have two officers who are bullies that have no clue of the law, no consideration for anything or anyone, and try to bully, end up bullying this attorney into giving him his license. And I want you guys to watch this and just watch the arrogance and the way this Nazi commando operates as a officer of the law. You know, this officer should be in prison, and it's amazing. Hey, guys, do me a favor. If you would, please subscribe. Thank you so much for those who have done so. I appreciate it dearly. You guys have me over 2,000. I'm trying to get to 2,500. Also the bell icon, so you know when I put out a new video. Leave a comment, hit the like and share, because it helps my algorithms. Also, the thumbs up, thumbs down says how I do for you guys. As far as trolls go, you guys are wasting your time. You're not getting under my skin. I could care less what you guys think. It's like saying, well, cops are people too. Yeah, okay. After you watch this, you tell me that. Cops have feelings. They're not doing anything wrong. Typical bootlicker, garbage. And it's like, fine, you guys want to make stupid ass comments, go for it. I could care less. It's not any hair off my yeah. So anywho, guys, subscribe if you would. Let's get on with the video, and we'll see how Hans and his buddy do here in the Fourth Reich.
They're asking me for my ID because I'm parked in a parking lot where they sell stuff to read it.
Yes.
And on what grounds you asked me for that?
Yes.
Tell me what grounds you're allowed to ask my ID.
It's my job. May I see your identification?
No, what
Sir,
legal
I don't know
grounds?
who you are. I don't know who you are.
Am I doing anything illegally?
I don't know if you're the owner of this vehicle.
Right now you're parked in.
All right.
Wait, can I ask you a question? How am I just
Sir, I'm going to ask you for the last time.
Explain to me how I'm parked illegally.
This is the fifth time I've asked you. Can I please see your identification? This is Officer Otto from the Suffolk County Police Department.
This is Gino Giorgini, a New York State criminal attorney who's sitting here doing this. Then why are you asking me?
Because I don't
want to give you. Why do you want to look at my ID? I'm asking you a simple question.
In this incident, a Suffolk County police officer approaches a criminal defense attorney who is parked in a convenience store parking lot in Vendange, New York, reading his morning paper. The officer demands the attorney's identification, citing a vague claim that the vehicle is parked in a manner that blocks the path, despite the area being near the corner. The lawyer, recording the interaction, challenges the officer's reasoning, asserting that he is not required to provide ID without a valid reason.
Hey, did you know you might get a big cash payout if you were in a car accident in the last year? Yep, even if you were...
I'm in a private parking lot.
And that is true. Unless he's done something wrong, the officer has no reason to even keep pushing this. But this is the way this Gestapo agent works. He just keeps at it until he finally gets it.
Minding my own business. It's not a private parking lot.
It's a business. This is a public parking lot. This is a public. Private would mean it's a business.
You have right, and you're telling me I'm parked illegally. How am I parked illegally?
You're parked illegally. You're blocking the path.
Blocking what? What path? I'm in the corner. I just want to record this.
Sir, I'm going to ask you for the last time. May I please see your identification, please?
I just want to ask you.
Sir, may I please see your identification?
I'm asking what legal grounds are you asking me for?
Your identification, please.
Right now, sir, you're parked illegally. Okay?
Okay, I just want
to identify you. Okay?
I don't know who you are. I don't know if you're the owner of this vehicle.
Exactly. You understand that?
I do not know if you own this vehicle. I don't know what your name is. You're not showing me any proof that
you're missing the point, because hey, Clint, do me a favor. Don't interrupt me when I'm speaking. Do not interrupt me when I'm speaking.
Sir, do me a favor. Sir,
on what grounds are you asking me?
May I please see your identification? Sir, may I please see your identification?
And if I say no,
Sir, may I
what?
please see your identification?
And if I say no, what?
Well, then we'll have to wait here until you show me identification. I can't have you leave. I can't allow you to leave. I don't know who you are. I don't know if you are the owner of this vehicle. I don't know if you have a New York State driver's license. I don't even know if you are a legal citizen of this country.
I wonder if his IQ is above 15. Probably not.
I don't know anything about you right now. So I would like to see some proof of
So
identification.
you asked about legal citizens of the country?
No, I don't know who you are, though.
I'm just wondering. You asked if I'm a
No.
legal citizen of the country?
Want to
Sir,
know if
may
you're
I
a legal
please?
operator of this vehicle.
Yes. May I please see your identification? I did
You have
not.
to determine whether or not if you
Okay.
can drive away here, we can let you go. If it's just a minor
And
parking
also,
offense,
sir, I
not a
did
big
see
deal.
you dump that liquid onto the floor. I
Yeah,
did
it's
see
called
you-
it's called seltzer.
Okay,
Here's
but
your
I did
can
see
of,
you
of,
dump- sir,
of water.
Sir,
It's an
so
empty
you're
seltzer
telling me that
can.
you did dump a liquid onto the floor.
Water.
Okay. Okay, so you did do it though. Correct.
Is there a law against that?
You did dump a substance out of a can out of your car, correct?
And
Answer my question, sir. Did you or did you not?
so what does it matter?
Answer my question, sir.
What does it matter?
Sir, answer my question. Did you or did you not dump a substance out of the car while you were?
And this is the way that they act, and they wonder why they earn the hate. You know, it's amazing. Cops like this are so dangerous to all law enforcement because they get good cops hurt. Why doesn't this clown just turn his badge and his gun in and go to work for the tire center down the street?
Parked here.
What does he have? Water,
So-
seltzer. What does it
So
matter?
you're saying you did?
And is there a problem with that?
I don't know what substance it is.
You'd say
Go down and test it. Go lick it. I don't
have a
care.
test for it right
Bend
now.
down and lick it.
That's
I don't
why
care.
I can't test it. That's why I'm asking for some identification so you can verify who you are, where you're going right now, and then I can have you go on your way.
Well,
for
let
your
me
day.
ask you. Why would I have to tell you where I'm going?
Because it's my job to know.
No,
who you
no.
are.
Why-
I don't care where you're going.
wait, why is it your job to know who I
I
am?
did not ask you where you were going. I
You just
never
did.
asked you. No, I did not. Do not put words into my mouth. Okay? I know this is your job. All right? I understand this is your job, but now let me do my job and just see some identification, like a New York State driver's license, because I don't know who you are. Like I said, I have never had any interaction with you before. I have never seen you before. Okay? So I'm doing my job patrolling the area that I work, correct?
Wait,
Okay?
come on.
Okay? So I'd like to see some identification.
Are you telling me that people in the
I'm
state
not
of New
saying
York
anything. I'm saying I'd
had
like
me
to see your
stopped and asked for
identification.
ID for no reason?
Okay, well, right
No,
now.
I
also,
did not say that. I said I would like to see some identification from you, sir. I can call a supervisor down here. We can't let you leave now. Now you cannot leave until I get verification of who you are. I can't allow you to leave. I don't know who you are. I don't know if you have a New York State driver's license.
The officer continues to insist, claiming he does not know whether the lawyer owns the vehicle and even questions his citizenship, further escalating the situation unnecessarily. As the conversation progresses, another officer arrives and informs the lawyer that his vehicle's inspection has expired, which the lawyer was unaware of. However, this new issue does not justify the officer's original request for identification, as there was no crime or violation articulated at the outset of the encounter. The officer's initial demand for identification was based on an unsubstantiated claim of illegal parking, which would likely have only warranted a verbal warning in any case. The situation then devolves into a back and forth over legal procedures, with the lawyer repeatedly questioning the officer's right to request ID under such circumstances.
Dear Dr. K, I used to think I was never meant to be beautiful. You work within my budget.
Oh, your
Nah, no
inspection
idea.
is past due. Well, now I can't have you drive the vehicle because your inspection is past due. So now you're going to get a summons for that. But I don't know who you are yet, so I don't know who to write the summons to. So can you produce some identification for me?
That expired. I didn't know.
Oh, boy. That expired? Did you get that on tape? Did you
Yeah.
get that? Can you film that
Well,
for
I'll
me?
get on tape.
Thank
It's
you very
expired.
much.
Big deal.
Okay.
I just want to know why you're stopping people on the gas station.
Didn't
You know,
stop
I
anyone.
sit-
I did not.
Mainly because this is what the Gestapo does. You know, where are your papers? Let me see your papers. Is this 1941? This is incredible.
Stop anyone,
I
sir.
just want to know why.
You were not- you
I
stopped
sit in gas
already.
stations and read my paper every morning, but I just happen to be in Wyandanch about to pick up a client, and all of a sudden I've got this massive
It's all right, sir.
interrogation.
You can wait here for your summons.
You're going to get a summons.
Yeah, I'm going to supervise it.
So I know who to write the summons to?
There's some parked car right to the
No, there
parking
was
lot.
someone in the vehicle, so I can't write it to a parked car to no one. There is an actual operator of the
No, you
vehicle
got the plate.
right now.
You can write it to the owner of the car.
No, I cannot do that.
I get some.
can't-
Just so we get this straight, I get summonses. People get summonses on parked cars in parking lots all the
I
time.
don't know. No, but there's no one in the vehicle. When there's someone in the vehicle, the actual operator who's sitting in the vehicle gets the summons. Not when a car's parked unattended and alone. Yes, you're correct.
It was
That
bar
is
in
called a
operation
parking-
right now.
I didn't say it was an operation. I said you were sitting in the operator's
Okay,
seat.
so but it's not. The car wasn't in operation, right? Car wasn't
say that.
running. This, that.
I did not. We're not talking about that, okay? And then I say that. Do not put words into my mouth, okay?
I'll have fun showing this video in front of Judge Hudson's quad this morning.
And you make sure you show that your inspection is up.
So what? Big deal. Write a
okay.
ticket.
Okay.
You like get off on this or something?
No, you ready?
You like get off on like just dragging this process out?
No, because
You realize you could have just identified yourself in the
That's
beginning
all.
and be like, okay,
You
this
probably
is your
wouldn't have gotten the
vehicle.
ticket for the
You know, that's the thing that always has boggled my mind. Do you get off on this? You know, you could have just given us your ID, and this had all been done with. He doesn't have to. Legally. You as an officer are now breaking the law. Imagine that. Cops break the law? I can't believe that. Really?
What are you
I
doing,
wanna-
sir?
I wanna
have a
ask you
client over
why-
here,
why
I have a
someone-
client over here and be like, all right, sir.
But
and
what,
you
if,
go
what
on
is
your
it?
way.
But
It's
why,
just
why
being-
would? Let
it's
me.
just
I
being,
just
like,
want to know
gentlemanly.
something.
Then you
I
keep
just
looking
want.
over
I
you
want to
like,
know
no,
You
something.
dumped the vehicle. You
You
dumped
were
the
talking
substance out of
nonstop.
your car.
You're sitting weird. You were dumping something out of your car.
I don't even know what
It
that
came
is.
off the way
Sitting
this
weird?
way.
Yeah, you're
The
parked.
vehicle's parked weird.
Yeah.
This is not weird. Everything else is straight into a lie.
Is this
Everything's
tint
right by-
legal, by the way? I think we have a tintometer in the car. Is this tint legal?
Factory should be.
Okay.
Rear
Just wanna
window.
make sure. Just want to make sure.
You know? And you could have been on your way, but like, is this what you get off on?
No, I.
Obviously you do. This is like a little game that you like playing. You
Wait,
know?
wait,
You
what's the
could've been
game?
on
Wait,
your way a long time
wait,
ago.
time out. A
You could've
game?
been on your way a long
Wait,
time
time
ago.
out.
This is a little game.
You're
This is
supposed to
something
do
that you
your
just
job when you're
This is
doing
what you wanna
something.
do. I mean, this is your game. You know?
Why is it my
You
game?
play-
I'm reading the
you
newspaper,
don't
minding my
have a good time
business.
with this little game. You know, you could have been on your way.
Really, it's a game. You violating people's rights?
Violating rights. You're parking legally.
I'm not parked illegally.
You're dumping an
Okay.
unknown
Right,
substance.
right,
I don't
right
know
the
if there's
ticket.
substance
Right
on
the
it.
ticket.
Okay, but I don't know how to write to it, so I need to see some identification.
Write a ticket
I
on
need to
anything.
see your identification.
Write
so,
a
you
ticket
can
on
be
anything.
arrested. Believe me, for just so
what?
you know, for an inspection ticket, in lieu of arrest. The tickets are issued in lieu of arrest.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, let me see. There we go.
So, under threat of arrest, he has to give up his ID. All I can say is, you know, the citizens of New York hope you like paying for this lawsuit. This is going to be a good one.
Eventually, the attorney complies and produces his identification, though he remains frustrated with the entire interaction. His main issue was the officer's lack of a legitimate reason for asking for his ID, as sitting in a parking lot reading a newspaper is not a criminal offense. The lawyer's insistence on knowing the grounds for the officer's actions highlights a clear misunderstanding or abuse of authority, as the demand for identification should be based on an articulable crime or reasonable suspicion, neither of which was present in this case.
I don't know why that was so hard.
Because it's illegal to come up and ask for ID for no reason.
When someone's dumping a substance out,
Nah,
yes, that is my
that's
reason.
it.
That is my reason. You're dumping
Park
an
it.
unknown substance out of. You're parked in a car, okay? You open the door and you dumped an unknown substance out of a can, okay? And then you threw the can on the floor.
Don't worry.
So I'm doing-
This is getting forwarded to the Fed monitors. That's all.
Okay.
It's all good.
That is
Okay.
fine.
Listen.
It's all good.
Right here. 5426.
I got it. I got it.
Make sure the Fed monitors get it.
Oh, I know.
Okay.
They'll be happy with that.
You're
You
not
know.
getting your rights violated.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
How do we violate your rights?
Don't worry. You'll find out.
Okay.
Well, just sit tight. I'll issue you a summons and you can be on your way. Have a nice day.
Wow. Hey, guys, do me a favor. I forgot to say this in the beginning. This comes to us from Police Tapes. Go over to there, subscribe to them, hit their like and share button. Helps their algorithms, hit their thumbs up. And do subscribe to them. I know I did. And check them out. They have quite a few videos. So, once again, sorry, I should have said that in the beginning. I didn't. I apologize for that. You know, especially the Police Tapes. It's not fair to them. You know, they're the ones that did the video, so I should have done that, and I didn't. I apologize. Anyhow, let me know what you guys think about the video and about these cops, and should they be in jail? Because my view is they belong in jail. because they break the law. And if they do this, what else do they do? So remember, Germany was defeated. The Nazis got kicked out, and unfortunately, they're back, I guess, in New York. Let me know what you guys think. All right, thanks, and remember, always film the police because they're not your friends.